Hi guys, Tiffany here with a quick unboxing of my newest kit from Travel with the 1407. I'm on the PR team, so I do receive this box in exchange for sharing it with you guys. I just always like to be upfront about that. It's not a review, it's just an unboxing. But that also means if you are interested in getting the kit, you can use my code, which is Breathe Create Dance. It'll be down in the description as well for 10% off. And this kit releases March 23rd at noon Eastern. So let's get started. This little pocket normally has some business cards and your invoice in it. This month you want to make sure and take a peek for this cute Inspired by Havana sticker. You're also going to get a little mini-sized Fiona passport. And so you can totally use this for whatever you like, but if you want, you can keep these stickers in here and kind of use it as a collectible and keep track of which kits you get. You also always get a really cute little flamingo paperclip. I don't know that I have a white one. This might be my first. I'm kind of excited about it. All right, so these things are new, not usually included in the kits. The things that are normally included, there's always 8 double-sided pages. No matter what size you order, these always come in 8.5 by 11, and then you can kind of trim them down to use however you like. The sizes that are offered is Pocket, A6, Personal, B6, Standard, and Wide. So the main artwork in these kits is exclusive to 1407. It's done by Natasha's sister-in-law, and this month everything kind of has a dual theme. There's Havana Nights and Havana Days, which I think is really fun. The days are just slightly softer colors. The nights have a little more black involved. The pages again are double-sided, so I'm going to show you both sides of each page. This is the nights, and it says, "Dance is the hidden language of the soul," with the dancer silhouettes. And then the day side is a cityscape, and it says, "Half of my heart is in Havana." The next one has fedoras and cigars with this beautiful red, it almost looks like a satin material in the background. And floral. I should have figured out what flower this is. I'm terrible with flowers. I never remember what anything is, but it's pretty. And pink. This one's a horizontal page. It's got a saxophone and then all these music notes with the dancers. And the back side of that one is dancers and cars and dominoes. And then this is another horizontal sheet. The night side is silhouettes of, that's not on the page, that's from my cover. I'll show you that too in a second. So silhouettes of palm trees and a night sky. And then lastly, a cityscape. It also always comes with a piece of vellum. This month's is the floral pattern. So we'll leave those here. We always get a roll of washi tape. This month has that great nighttime sky kind of pattern. Sorry, my lighting is being a little reflective. I'll stick that here so you can see it. There is a elastic pen loop, which you can stick this, clip it right on your traveler's notebook or dashboard. It'll work with anything, any kind of planner. You can even do it like on an Erin Condren if you have one of those. The kits are really themed for traveler's notebooks, but I've used bits and pieces of them in all kinds of different planners because I use lots of things. Here's a little charm in silver. We've got a page marker. This one is nice heavy cardstock, so it should last all month. There's pretty much always a pack of die cuts, and the 1407 die cuts are really heavy cardstock, like they're nice and thick, so I really like them. They're really durable. There is a car, that flower, a mojito. At least I think that's what that is. Lime and mint, I think so. The cityscape, and then the silhouette of the dancers. Oh, I missed one. This fun dancing girl. You get 4 vinyl tabs, so you need to write on these in permanent marker because they are vinyl, but they're great because they don't rip. They're really sturdy. So there's 4 of those, and a sheet of decorative stickers, flower and a little cigar and a fedora, several dominoes. You've got the cityscape again that says, "Half of my heart is in Havana." The background of this says, "Dance is the secret language of the soul." I am totally in love with the saxophone too. So there's that. There is a sheet or a stack, a pad of sticky notes. It's probably the word I'm looking for. It says, and so the adventure begins. This month we've got the little check boxes on the side, which I think is really fun. 2 journaling cards that are double-sided. Again, half of my heart is in Havana, and dance is the hidden language of the soul. The back of this one is the flowers, and the back of this one is that saxophone image. This month we have a special treat. This is an exclusive stamp set from Studio L2E. These are really high quality photopolymer stamps. Because we're doing the destinations in the kits for the next few months, this is kind of a travel themed stamp set. It's great because it's not specifically Havana related, and so you can use it on any kind of travel notebook, planning for trips, or just kind of coordinate with the destination theme for the next several months. It says, let's find some beautiful place to get lost. There's a geotag with Fiona and a passport, hot air balloon, a backpack, a suitcase, an airplane, a camera, a camper, and then packing list, destination, flight info, and a little suitcase checklist. The other thing this would be really great for is if you're joining us for Planner Jam in June in Ohio. It's great for planning that. I hope to see you guys there. For more information on that, I'll link the website down below as well. When you order a kit and you choose a size, the only thing that's size specific in this particular kit is the inserts. So mine is B6. The kits always come with 2 inserts. This month there is artwork on one page and dot grid on the other, and this whole insert is that same way. I love these inserts. I think they're really versatile, and I like to kind of use them for journaling or planning or just jotting down notes. The other insert is a combo insert, so there's the artwork, and inside it has an undated monthly and then several pages of weekly, just week on 2 page vertical style, a few pages of checklists with coordinating artwork, and then in the back are several pages of notes. So that's it for the kit. You can also purchase a vinyl cover as an add-on. It's an additional purchase. This one is B6, and they're just vinyl. They come just like this, not strung, but you get the elastic, and there's a link to a video that explains how to string them. It's really easy. They're just a single strand cover, and you can use them for probably 3 or 4 inserts. You need a jump band if you're going to do more than one though. The inside's just blank. The other thing that's really great is you can just trim them down a tiny bit, and they work as a dashboard in your traveler's notebook as well. So there is the Havana kit. Again, it releases March 23rd at noon Eastern. You can use my code BreatheCreateDance for 10% off, and all that information is also going to be down in the description below. Please let me know if you have any questions, and thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.